Hello and welcome back to this channel, HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how can I go live on TikTok. So open TikTok on your device and then tap the plus sign located at the bottom center of your screen. Here scroll through the options at the bottom until you reach live. Then enter a catchy title that describes your live, and then optional thing, but you can choose your cover image to your live, and also you can apply some filters and effects if you want to. Once everything is set, press go live button to start basically your live. But to go live, you need to meet some basic requirements, and that include that you must be at least 18 years old and your account needs at least 1,000 followers to access the live feature. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.